Welcome back. So we are now on types of what? Events. So there are many types of events. We have mutually exclusive, inclusive, complementary, many of them. So let's talk about mutually exclusive. So what does it mean? Mutually exclusive events means that the two events cannot happen at a time. You understand? So let's read. Means that the occurrence of one necessarily excludes all the others. Example, in a throw of what? A die. These are the scores we are going to have are mutually exclusive. That is, in both events, that is, both events cannot happen at the same time. In one throw, cannot happen at a time in one throw. That is, they do not overlap. So you cannot throw a seed like a die and get two and get three at the same time. So they are mutually two and three are mutually what? Exclusive, right? Mutually exclusive because you cannot get the two at the same time unless you are throwing a dice. That's two seeds. So it means you can get two things at a time. You can even get double seed. So this the second one, independent events. So independent events means that they are independent. They are independent of themselves. For example, a die and head and a tail. You understand? So they are separate events. You understand? So let's read. Independent events means two or more events that do not have influence on one another. For example, the getting of a six from a throw of a die and getting a head from a coin toss are independent outcomes. So they are independent what events. So they are not the same thing. For example, you have rice and beans. They are independent. So the probability of an event occurring in an experiment is noted as what? Probability of an event is equal to what? Number of what? Events or what? Elements. Number of elements slash what? Events over the number of what? Sample space. So some people used to call it number of what? Favorable outcome over total possible what? Outcomes. So these are what they mean. Probability of an event occurring is this. Number of elements and sample space. So, and you know that this is MB. Probability of an event is equal to the number of possible outcome over total what outcome. Or you can say number of favorable outcome over total possible outcome. Uh, so thank you for watching and may God bless. Expect more videos on probability. Bye bye.